Hello everybody, this is Shane R. Monroe with Review Lagoon. We're going to be taking a look again at the nookColor tablet, tricked out to be a Noid, the nookColor plus Android operating system. And as a bonus, we're going to be looking at CyanogenMod number 7. This is a nightly build, so it's still a little rough around the edges, but it's still pretty good. We'll take a look here at just some of the unique features that this offers. First off, as you can see, there's a couple of small changes. Notice up here the soft buttons have been absorbed by two buttons up here. The clock has been slightly changed along with the battery. Try to keep it awake here. I'm using a nice little widget. And of course notifications are all nice and fixed in here. As you can see, okay. Alright. And I'm running Launcher Pro on here, which is always nice. I only have it set down to one screen, but you'll recognize the launcher stuff. You can tell this is considerably faster now. This is using the Cyanogen's overclocking stuff. As you can see, if we go into our settings, this is all built into this mod. So they have their own CyanogenMod settings, Cyanogen performance, and they warn you, and then you go into CPU settings and you can set your frequencies, your min frequency, your max frequency, etc. So good stuff. I'm set for 300 and 1000, and again your buttons are set up here. You'll also know that the soft mod button is here. I added that, sorry about that, my soft mod button is here. I added that separately because there are certain programs that run full screen that take away the notification bar. So here we go. A lot of this we saw in my last video, so I don't want to repeat the obvious. But you hit the menu button up on top, and you can definitely see. If we go, oops, my bad there. If we go into the menu, let me see if I can pull this back so you guys can see well. Again, the menu button's up here now, and if you look down, here's your preferences. And you can definitely tell, a little zoomage here, that we are indeed using Launcher Pro, which works a lot better on here. Let me go ahead and adjust a little bit. Alright, so back to our home screen. A lot of this stuff, as I said, you've already seen before. I do have the 3D gallery installed, which is always nice. This came from the original Google app. And just like before, on the old ones, you can open up an entry there by using your pinch, so you guys can see what that looks like. You can open that up and it goes between them. I always thought that was kind of a cool effect. Alright, now see, this is an example. See, there is no more notification bar on top, so your back buttons will have to be gotten again through soft keys back. Then you can close soft keys. There you go. And one of the things expressly wanted to be seen here, of course we can't rotate, that might even be better for the purposes of this. I was asked to show a jigsaw puzzle program. So we'll go ahead and head in there. Oops. Noid, I think it's called. This is very cool. You essentially type in something that you want a puzzle for. Let's say, I don't know, droid. Can't type. And then what it does is it locates a whole bunch of related items. I guess I should have put Android. But basically you skim through. So this is another one where I have to use the soft keys to go back. So let's do Droid. Let's go to Android. Trying to type around the camera, folks. You have to forgive me. Dang it. Android, search. That's better. So now we can get, say, the Android piece. Choose that. I've already set it up to be a fairly simple puzzle. But let's see here. Let's see if I can get us a little more height. You guys can get a better view of said puzzle without going into landscape. There we go. So you guys can see better. So essentially, we'll turn off the soft keys, and You know, my standard puzzle solving skills are, you know, only, hey, stop that, are basically find the corners first and move from there. And this does allow for piece rotation and all that bit. So here's a corner. Since it's all blue, I'm going to have to just kind of guess which corner it is. Not the best picture for a puzzle. Okay, so there's one corner. This is going to be a pain in the butt. Find the antenna there. Fortunately, they show you kind of the outline of the puzzle, so you can get some of it. Okay. So you get the idea. Here's another flat piece that goes in the corner. Not that corner. So we'll close this corner out. There we go. And then we got another corner, etc., etc. So this must be another corner up here. Yep, there's one there. This might go here. No. So let's see, what about these blue ones? Are just going to be a pain in the butt. There we go. I don't know what that one is yet. Got some letters down here still, so let's move some of these other pieces out of the way. Here's a flat one. Must have been where it went. Nice. The other corner. It locks it in, which is cool. There's another one on the bottom. The Noid. And here somewhere. There we go. More edge pieces. Oh, there we go. Again, forgive me, I'm working around a camera here. Damn it. Like a retard here. Alright. There we go. And so we can sit here and put this puzzle together all day long, but you get the idea. So that works pretty well. And of course, we always can go to our home that way. Ditch that. Well, anyway, it's pretty cool. Launcher Pro works very, very well. And again, the speed is considerably better. There's like no hesitation now where there used to be with the standard Froyo build. So I'm really enjoying this a lot. Again, they fixed that, and there's all sorts of good stuff in here. So I hope you enjoyed this look at the Noid running CyanogenMod. And keep an eye out for more videos. Right here from Review Lagoon, my name is Shane R. Monroe.